How to put movie to your USB stick. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can put movies into your USB sticks. So without any further ado, let's just begin. First of all, you will need to insert your USB stick to your PC. Now I'm hoping that you guys know how to do that. And after you've done that, you will simply need to open up your file explorer and yeah, just open that up. And let me just expand this a little. Now after you expand this, after you open this, you'll need to head over to your this PC option. Now tap on this PC, and after you do so, you will see your devices. Now this is your local disk, that is your files on your PC, and this is your USB stick. Now simply tap on this and open this up. Now right here you will see your different files in your USB stick. Now you can keep this aside, and after you do so, simply open up the file or the folder where you have your movies. Now let's say that I have this here. Let me open this up again, and let's say I have this here. Now let us assume that these are the movies. So you can simply select these, and there are multiple ways you can transfer these movies to your USB stick. The first is simply drag these and drop it here, and that should do the trick. Now that is the first method. The second method would be, let me delete those first. The second method would be simply copying these, and after you copy these, simply Control C, that is copy, or you can simply right click on it and copy this here, or simply cut. And after you do so, go here and Control V, or you can simply right click here and paste it. Now if you don't find the paste option, just go and Control V. And after you do so, there you go, you have just copied your movies to your USB stick. So yeah, that is basically how you do it, guys, and that is all for this video. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.